yesterday, but so I have it running in red mode, obviously. This is the app, and then what I'm doing is click here, connect to my lamp or the module, connect it. So if I want white, red, yellow. Looks a little lime green here. Yeah, in person, to me this would be more lime green. There's dark green, blue, aqua, dark blue, purple, back to like yellowish, a bluish white, back to white. You can go through the rainbow of colors, whatever you want. Here we can go to mode. You can change the different type, so it's on breathing right now. 3 color, and then I guess you can choose close. So it's, I guess this is, yeah, so it's RGB. So here's red, blue. So it should fade, flashing, jump change, so it just blinks, gradual change. You can change the speed, all that stuff. I'm probably never going to use this. If you want music, you can just play music, but I'm going to go straight to regular color. That's what I prefer to run. So if you click the circle, you can try to fine-tune the color, but again, so orange is really tough to get a good orange, but that's okay. And if you want to save it, just find your color, hit plus, there's your preset, tap and hold to remove it. Really simple. Again, for white most of the time. It's bright. It's definitely noticeable. It's a lot better. Red, and so once I go here, once I exit the app, you know, I open it back up, until you connect to it, it shouldn't change it. So I'm not connected, but if I go to white, obviously it doesn't do anything. Connect the lamp, even though white's selected, let's see if it changes it. It doesn't. I tap it again, it's the white. Red, yeah, that yellow, I gotta find a deeper yellow. Again, it's a lot of fiddling with it. Let's see, that yellow, it gives it more of a green hue, like that one. Even though this is orange, to me, that looks more like a neon yellow. So that's the drawback, you know, some drawbacks. If I hit this, it looks more yellow-green. So I'll go back to this, even though it's orange looking. It's a little hard to tell on the with the GoPro, just because it's on auto mode. I'm sure if I reduce the frame or brightness, ISO settings, it'll look better. Green. That looks blue, but it's a little more teal. There's the dark blue, which looks better. Purple. Again, that off-white, white. This is supposed to be orange. That looks yellow to me in person. I think you can see it a little more at the edges. If I click this one, they're basically so similar from the two. And then this is the yellow-green. It looks more orange to me. This might be closer to what the Limit Plus One, the ones they sell, others sell too. Again, it's not as nice if it was a full LED, but that involves a lot more baking the headlights, which more people are probably not going to be as comfortable with. So yeah, that's it. It's very simple install, no permanent modifications, you know, easy to put back to normal, relatively. The hardest part is going to be taking off the bumper. After that, it's going to be wiring, and yeah, so far so good. Oh, let me show you the turn signals. So I'm gonna leave it at white just so it looks good there, if you can see it. I don't have the stand with me, but let's do this. So I'm gonna put the turn signals, and it looks like a proper switchback. You can see it shuts off the amber and everything. Same with this one, shuts off the amber. Since I have the Carista, I have more clicks before it auto shuts off, so I'll do that. Wait for it to come on. There we go. So there is a little delay, but not the worst. Now, if I put on hazards, that's where I notice some weird stuff happening. Oh, I think it corrected itself somehow. Okay, I have some other video where it didn't do it, but now it looks fine. Maybe it's how I had it wired before with a test 12 volts. Maybe that was causing an issue. But either way, before, the other issue was because the LEDs on the other one were flipped, and I'll put pictures up, the brightness was way off. Not good at all. But right now, the way it's wired, it looks good. Wow, I can't replicate that 12 volt, sorry, the peach color, but I have other video of it. I'm guessing maybe because I was powering it off a 12 volt Milwaukee battery, but yeah, can't even get it to do that, so that's looking good.